Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. In this video, we'll discuss the sliding box style of the Image Expand widget of Element Pack Pro. You can learn about the Image Expand widget in this video. Now back into the widget panel. From the options on your left, click on the style option and select sliding box. What this style does is, unlike the default style, it expands the hovered or clicked image into a split window with the image on one side and the details on the other side. The default style unfolds images into a full width view with the details on top of the images. Sliding box skin has it a bit differently with a split view. Going into the Style tab, you'll find overlay color and background color options for the expanded image part. Let's apply a background color while changing the title color to the white. Then some spacing adjustments. And of course, the typography. Then going for the same type of customizations for the text. For the button, let's make the background red and the text white. Reverse the color order in hover. Then zero border radius for sharp corners and customize the padding value for the button area. Just ungroup the padding fields and customize the values. Then finish it with typography settings. Great job! Now check this out. That's a new design for the Image Expand widget and you can do it from now on. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel to get updates on new tutorial videos. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.